Okay, this is keys 2 for Shine a Light by Elevation Worship. So keys 2 players, you're going to be having the synth lines in the song. So you're going to be on 2 different settings. In this Syn-Lead category, you're going to be on 75 called Supertrance. And then you're going to go over to the Syn-Comp category and you're going to 32 called Queens. So since those are in 2 different categories, all you need to do is pre-program them before the service and just switch buttons, okay? So basically you're going to be doing the big hook lead line in the song that goes like this. Okay. So make sure that you're setting yourself up like octave wise for however you want to set yourself, or if you just want to play it like further up here, but you'll need to be on that octave. And then so that's the Supertrance one for the big lead line, and then you have a line that goes something like this. Okay, and it kind of repeats itself. Okay, so that happens in like the second verse, and then it happens in the instrumental before the bridge, and it goes through the shine a light, so it goes through the bridge 1, and then it switches back for the bridge 2, you switch back to the big lead line. So I'm just going to go ahead and play it with the song. I'm going to skip a little bit because you don't come in until the pre-chorus here. So the whole beginning part is keys 1. So get yourself on the Supertrance. So at the very first one, you kind of start to fade yourself in on the second half of this. So you start fading in. And then switch yourself back. And you're still fading yourself in. Sorry, you're so quiet here. So I'm going to pause it there because we're not doing that whole like big like pause where he's telling everybody to get their cell phones out. It just kind of goes right into shine a light, shine a light. So basically what I needed to kind of emphasize there is that you're using the volume knob as like a crucial part of like actually what you're playing. So please practice that. If you need to come early, I really encourage you to do that so that you can actually practice using the knob, because basically you have to turn yourself down about halfway for whenever you're quiet, and then you have to turn yourself, like kind of fade yourself up with the last little, sorry. to start, so that you're like full volume by the time the big actual hook like instrumental happens. So you're gonna need to practice actually using the volume knob for this, and then switching settings like pretty quickly, as you could see that I had to do. So basically, if we skip forward, it just goes right into the Shine a Light, and you keep doing this part here. And get ready to switch. Okay, and so so you got the mapping of it, of when you need to switch and what parts you need to be fading up on and what parts you need to be really loud on. Basically, the hook is where you're at full volume, and whenever you're on this setting, I would pretty much be on full volume also, the Queen setting, when you're doing this thing, because it's like not as loud as the other one, so it'll need to cut through. So basically, you'll need to practice with the song, know the mapping, and know exactly when you're fading yourself up, when you're coming in. Like I said, I would learn the chords on analog just in case you need to switch or anything, or fill in on anything if the TL needs you to change it up or whatever. So please, please, please practice with a click track, because the rhythms of this are obviously really syncopated. Be really, really confident in this. And if you have any questions, please, please, please let us know. You can ask me or Shalisha about anything that you need to know. So we'll see you guys soon.